Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Buick Encore hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle, typically found on the driver's side near the floorboard. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the primary latch releases. Now, walk to the front of your Buick Encore. Once at the front, gently lift the hood a few inches to create a small gap. Reach your hand under the front edge of the hood, usually near the center. You'll feel for the secondary safety latch. Depending on your specific model, you will either push this small lever to the side or lift it upwards to fully release the hood. With the secondary latch disengaged, you can now lift the hood all the way up. Next, locate the metal prop rod. This is typically clipped to the underside of the hood itself or within the engine bay. Carefully unclip the prop rod and insert its free end firmly into the designated slot to securely hold the hood open. When you are finished, carefully remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back into its storage clip. Gently lower the hood until it is about 6 to 12 inches from completely closing. Do not slam it. Then, give the hood a firm but gentle push down on the center to engage the primary latch, ensuring it is securely closed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.